Good morning and Assalamu alaikum students. I am Ms. Hira and I am your English teacher. Today I am going to teach grade 3, the subject English. So let's start our class with the name of Allah who is very merciful. Students, in today's class we will learn the concept of common, proper, countable, uncountable and collective nouns. After today's class you would be able to identify and differentiate between common, proper, countable, uncountable and collective nouns. Students, do you know what is common noun? Okay, we know about nouns. Anything that has its name is a common noun. But a common noun is a word that names a common person, common place, common thing or a common animal. For example, doctor, egg, book, car, table and tiger are the common nouns. Students, then we have proper nouns. So what are proper nouns? A proper noun is a word that names a specific person, specific place, thing or an animal, and it is always written with a capital letter. For example, Quran, Minar-e-Pakistan and Quaid-e-Azam are the proper noun. Students, let's differentiate between common and proper noun. We have two types of noun, common and proper noun. In common noun we have country, that is a common noun, but Pakistan is a proper noun and it would be written with a capital P. Language is a common noun, but Urdu language is proper noun. Flower is common noun, but the flower of jasmine is proper noun. Month, that is again a common noun, but the month of April is a specific month, so it is a proper noun, students. So students, now we are going to discuss common and proper noun with their examples. So in common noun, he is my brother. The word brother is a common noun. She often visits the city. City is again a common noun. Ice cream was very yummy. Ice cream is a common noun. And for proper noun, Sana is my best friend. Sana is the name of a specific person. So that is a proper noun and we will write it with a capital S. Then I went to Turkey last year. In this sentence, you could see that the word that is in the middle of the sentence Turkey is written with the capital letter T. So that is a proper noun and that is the name of a specific country. Then her pet bunny runs fast. Here in the middle of the letter, the word bunny is written with capital B. So bunny is again a proper noun, students. So students, we have discussed common and proper nouns. Now we are going to move forward with the countable nouns. Students, do you know what are countable nouns? I hope that you understand this with the word countable. Anything that we could count is countable. So what are countable nouns? The countable nouns are nouns that we can count is called countable nouns. For example, carrots, candies, fries, grapes, socks and clock are the countable nouns. Then we have uncountable noun, and from the word uncountable you could understand that uncountable means something that we cannot count. So the nouns that we cannot count is called uncountable nouns. Flour, sugar, butter, honey, soup and milk are the uncountable nouns and we cannot count them. Students, we have studied about the countable and uncountable nouns. Now we are going to differentiate between countable and uncountable nouns. Here is a picture. In this picture we have countable and uncountable nouns. We are going to sort it out into countable and uncountable nouns. Apples, eggs, almonds and peas are the countable nouns. In uncountable nouns, juice, milk, butter, salt and vanilla are the uncountable nouns. So students, now I am going to give you some examples of countable and uncountable nouns. As you could see in the picture, apple, sandwich, grapes, cake and burger are the uncountable nouns. But uncountable nouns, we have milk, salt, water, cheese and sugar that cannot be counted. Hope you have understood that what are the countable and uncountable nouns. Now again we are going to do an activity. We are going to read the words and read them into their correct columns. We have two columns. One is for countable nouns and the other one is for uncountable nouns. So students, I hope that you could do it on your own. Now pause this video and sort this into countable and uncountable nouns. So students, I hope that you have done this activity very well. Let's discuss this activity again. In countable nouns, we have egg, cookie, pizza, watermelon, and we have many more examples. Now let's go to uncountable nouns. In uncountable nouns, we have soup, salt, flour, tea, milk, and pasta that cannot be counted. So students, we have discussed about common noun, proper noun, countable noun, and uncountable noun. Now we are going to discuss a new type of noun, that is collective noun. You could understand it by the word collective. Collective means a group of something. So collective noun are the words that name a group of people, animal, or things all together as one. For example, a team. So students, all you are here like you are in a group. So we will call it a class of students. It is a collective noun. A team of workers, a catch of fishes, a colony of penguins, a flock of sheep, and a pride of lions, all are the collective nouns. Students, now we are going to do an activity for collective nouns. Here we have some fill in the blanks and we are going to fill it from the given word bank. A dash of fish, a school of fish, a dash of sheep, a flock of sheep, a dash of grapes, a bunch of grapes, a dash of soldiers. Students, here we will write an army of soldiers because an is used with the vowels. An army is starting with the word vowel A. In the next blank we have a dash of thieves, a gang of thieves. So students, we have learned about the collective nouns. Hope you have understood the concept of collective nouns. You could also find more examples from your surroundings. Thank you so much. I hope that you have understood all the concepts very well. Jazakallah.